Hey guys, what's up? And surprise, surprise, surprise! Samsung may finally be able to do it. I am talking about the under-display camera technology that they first announced in 2018 and have been perfecting ever since. The Galaxy Note 20, which is bound to launch in August alongside the Galaxy Fold 2, might be the first Samsung smartphone to have an under-display camera solution. The report comes from Sam Mobile, which reports that a user was able to screenshot an image from the Galaxy store, wherein a mysterious device with a full screen front with no interruptions, most likely with an under-display camera technology, is seen sandwiched between what appears to be a Galaxy S10 Plus and the Galaxy S20. Now Samsung is facing a lot of heat these days due to the issues in its latest smartphone, the $1,400 Galaxy S20 Ultra, especially the Exynos variant. So they might want to bounce back and take everyone by surprise by launching the Note 20 with the under-display camera technology. Coming back to the image, to be honest, it looks like a mock-up device, and if recent leaks are to be believed, the phone may not have the under-display camera technology. Samsung is actually testing it to see if it can be used on the Galaxy S21, and we are hearing that the button placement on the Galaxy Note 20 would be on the right side of the device, which is not the case with the device in the image. But even then, it gives us a glimpse of what the future holds as to how the next Galaxy smartphone with this tech would look like, and if this is how it will, I am all in. Now, a few weeks ago, we had an air conditioner ad by Samsung where a similar device was used to control the AC, and it got us all excited if Samsung just leaked its upcoming Galaxy Note 20, but turns out it is just a dummy device as well. Or maybe that Samsung is planning to shift the hole punch to the left side of the phone, though it is unlikely for Samsung to backtrack to this design. Similar images to this phone are all over the Samsung store website, and this might indeed be a glimpse of the future. Maybe we can expect the Galaxy S21 to look like this, but I don't think the Note 20 will have this tech. There are two reasons for this, the first being that Samsung might want to save it for the S21. The Note line already has the S Pen to go for it. If they launch the Note 20 with this feature, then they might not have anything to market the S21. The second one being that people are not spending a lot on expensive handsets these days due to what's going on outside and its effect on the global economy. We even heard a few days ago that the first day sales of the S20 series are half compared to the S10 in Korea. So Samsung will most likely wait for the market to stabilize before giving consumers a new technology. That's it for this video. Tell me if you would be interested in the Galaxy Note 20 if it launches with this tech, or would you rather buy something else? Also hit the like button if you like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.